Hey traders, Tuesday was a pretty good day in the live room. I always like when we can start the week off with a bang and get some good trades, and that's exactly what we did. We followed up the end of last week's winning streak with a short winning streak of our own, giving us 6 in a row, ending Tuesday, and it was really a back to basics type of day. Lately, you've been watching videos of mine. We've been trading a lot of structure-based trades or Fibonacci or ratio cluster type trades. Today was back to how everything started, straight patterns, and we had a few of them. We'll start off here on pound dollar. We had a nice Gartley pattern here on pound dollar, which came down right into a structure zone, bounced right up for a 2 target winner. Followed that up by basically the same thing on pound yen. Either a Gartley or a bat, can't remember right now which one it was. Looks like a bat, but either way, you can see we had a completion level at our 886 coming in right into a structure zone as well. Another 2 target winner, looking for target 1 at the 618, taking target 2 at a retest of our X leg. And you can see if you would have trailed this, would have been stopped out for trail stops. But you can see the market continued up afterwards. And then finally, going on to the range bar charts, we actually caught a cipher pattern on the New Zealand dollar. Now we were actually looking for a bigger bat pattern initially in blue, but you can see on our way up to that, we came down X to A to B, B to C, coming into a nice DSR zone. So if you wanted to take an aggressive C on a cipher, you could have made reason to do so here. We came up into our 786, pushed the market up a little bit, retesting the structure. Luckily, we know that when we trade this pattern, we have to have stops above X, which we did. Market came down, gave us target 1, gave some people target 2. I think it just nipped it, whether you got filled or not. Giving us 3 for 3 for today and about 100 pips. So a great way to start the week. Hey traders, it's Thursday here in the live room. Actually just finished up, we did a little bonus section, had a little Q&A afterwards that went pretty good. I don't mind this on my thing right now. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. There we go, let's get back to the charts. And where are my charts at? Other page. Pretty good day today in the live room. We went 3 for 3 with trades. We had 2 bat patterns, a Gartley or a cipher or something. I forgot. We made money. That's all that matters, and we're looking to make some more money, as you can see on Euro CAD or Dollar CAD here. And this is the trade I actually went to use as my example. Now I put a video out to my syndicate members earlier this morning on Dollar CAD 240, and we'll just get this off of here. What we're looking at, the big picture, and I'll just go out to a daily. The big picture, what we're looking at is a cipher pattern completion, or a Gartley pattern completion, sorry, for some. But if we go down to a lower time frame, 4-hour chart, there's actually a chance to get involved short in this market as well. And what I told traders was, hey, if there's an area to get short, it's going to be right here around these 98.08s. There's Fibonacci confluence there. There's structure if we look left. A whole bunch of good stuff that we like to look for as traders. Going down to the 60-minute. So going down to our trading time frame from a higher time frame, you'll see that during the room today we also put in a double top. Initial top right here, initial highs. There we go. Followed by a retracement, followed by a retest of these highs. Looking down to RSI divergence, meaning that markets coming to the same price action level, yet markets RSI, our indicator, is creating lower lows. So a perfect opportunity to take a short entry, trade it down to here, trade it down to there. All depends on your rules. But a great short that happened in a live room today, and you can see that we had a very nice bar coming off of that. So traders would already be up about 20-30 pips. Now here's the thing. In the live room we do mostly day trades. I didn't hop in this for the live room's sake because it was based off a 4-hour chart, and to me that's a swing trade, and I'd be looking for about a 200 pip target on this one or close to. So I told the traders in the room, for you guys that don't do swing trades, because not everyone does, maybe we can find a way to get involved in this on a lower time frame. So here's what we did. We went down to a 5-minute chart, if I can find it. It actually might have been a range bar chart. Don't be like me and have too many charts up. Let's see, it was either 5-minute or range bar. I get confused because they're close enough. Alright, probably a 5-minute then. Or a range bar. We went to our range bar chart and we saw this. We had our minor DSR zone up here. Here's our initial top from the one we're looking for the double top on the 60-minute chart. We came up to this level, retested our DSR zone here. Could have had an aggressive entry at market at this bar, but we wanted to be a little bit more conservative, so we waited for another retracement, came back up, retested it with a beautiful candle, for those who read my my candlestick post the other day. And if you haven't, shame on you. You need to go do that now. But put a nice double top. Again, RSI divergence on the RSI on the 5 range chart as well. So what do? Sold it right back down. Hit target ones in this level. Had a pretty good rant in the room about this level right here, about buyers and sellers and the fight that goes on and knowing your opponent. And that's too long of a subject for me to cover in this review, but maybe I'll write a post about it. Maybe I'll do a video on it later. I don't know. Some of the hidden gems that you miss by not spending 3 hours a day with me. For better or for worse, I guess. But anyway, we came down, we hit target ones here, looking for target twos at a lower level here. So a pretty good trade on Canada. Another trade we took, we hit a bat pattern on Euro Yen for target 1 easily, and stopped out on trail stops. Aussie dollar was a good one. We actually had 2 type of trades here. We had a bat pattern looking X to A to B, B to C, C to D down here. Get out of here. And then we also had a cipher pattern which actually saved us. Stops were a little bit below here. We had a cipher pattern that came up X to A to B down here, C to D, or X to A to B, B to C. There we go. C to D that completed, I think 103.76 right around this area. So entered on a bat, got saved by a cipher, took target ones off right up here, right below, actually right below 104 flat. Target ones, took target twos off at a retest of the structure, and if we were still in the room right now, as I told traders, I would have sold them again right up here, either aggressively on a stop and reverse, saying, hey, if I have 1 position on, I'm going to sell 3, which means you bank money on your 1 position and then get put short 2 positions. Or RSI did go oversold, overbought, wait for a retracement, a retest, another beautiful candle. Another beautiful candle. I'm telling you, you need to read that post. But RSI divergence, and the market is coming off that right now, and I'd fully expect us to retest this structure level down here. So pretty good day, 3 for 3. We've been streaking in the room in a positive way, meaning again we got 6 straight off the weekend and Tuesday. Yesterday was 3 straight losers, I believe. Today 3 straight winners. You already know how my risk reward works, so I'll take 3 winners and 3 losers any day of the week, and we'll see what happens on Friday. Just finished up the live room this Friday, and pretty mellow day. We had 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. The one we did take that won was on the Euro Yen. That's very simple trades. You can see on the left, we had a simple double top here. RSI divergence, took it short, rolled over for target 1 for about 30 pips. Still trying to reach target 2. Probably a little clearer on the range bar charts. Again, using our DSR zones, came right up into it. Waited for a retracement, waited for a retest, got short, target 1s at 618, which lined up with another DSR zone. Love how harmonics work. I'm looking for target 2s. I'm actually going to roll stops right around here. Looking for target 2s down at a retest of this level. Pretty simple. On the longer term things, we had a big winner for our syndicate members. If I could bring this chart over. Or I don't even think I mentioned this to the syndicate. I think I actually put this on our Facebook group page. Sorry, syndicate members. But this was the one I forgot to put. But we had a nice bat pattern on Euro Pound earlier this week. Or, yeah, late, either early this week or late last week. I can't remember. Anyway, we hit our 886 at 81.12. We came right down into our first target zone, which is our 382 retracement. Banked about 130 pips. Stops moved to break even. I'm now looking for target 2s down here at a retest of 786. Now usually I'll be looking for 618 on these longer term trades for second targets, but as you can see, the better structure level is down here at 786. So just from market experience, you know, that's going to be the one that I predict price action will go to. Here's an email I got from one of my clients. He said, another syndicate winner. You called it bat. You called it bat. It formed with a double bottom with bullish divergence with nice pin bars. I wasn't involved though. I did sell the CAD yesterday and turned out good. It paid for the losses earlier in CAD the previous day and that pound trade last night. I was also short the euro from earlier in the day. So last 4 trades, 3 losses and 1 winner. Still a couple of pips in green, and that's the important part, and it's all about how this trader manages risk reward. Last 4 trades, 3 losses. He took 3 losses and 1 winner and still is in the green. 25% win percentage and you're in the green. Imagine if he had 1 more win, you know, would have doubled the amount he won. Risk reward is very important. Very important, and you know, it proves how, you know, like me myself, I'm only about a 50% trader, you know, but I've made a good living out of being 50 to 40% right. It's always cool to see clients stay in contact with me and just let me know how they're doing. I love it because I did the same thing to my mentor when I was trading. If I had a good week, I say, hey man, I had a really good week. I felt like I entered everything correctly and things went well. So I appreciate you guys joining me again for this week's video. I'll see you next week, and hopefully we can keep this this streak alive in the live room, and hopefully you continue to get some education out of these videos. Take care, traders. Have a great weekend.